Hey, how you doing? I hope you're having a happy holiday. We're going from the newest radio on the market that I showed you in the previous video to one of the oldest radios that was made back. I'll have to look in the back and see what the vintage of this is. There's some notes on the back. This is from Jeff's collection. This is an Emerson, and it's AM only. And guess what? Let me show you something here. Here's the on-off volume tuning. That's it. I don't know if you noticed it, but it has a backlight. Yeah, I could turn some lights off and show you. It does have a backlight. It has a lamp up in the top here. And there's music, or audio, or radio. Okay, this is probably, I didn't get any notes from Jeff on this particular radio. So I'm kind of guessing here. This is probably what they called a 5-tuber. Has 5 tubes for reception. One is for the rectifier to change the AC to DC to power it. One is for the RF amplifier. One is for the IF amplifier. One is for the mixer, and one is for the audio. That's 5 tubes. And I'm going to show you the back here in a second. Let me move this out of the way. You can see how big it is. It's about 10 inches by 6 inches by about 7 or 8 inches. Here's the back of it. And I am assuming that he had everything recapped, which he normally does on his radios. And here's some information about it. It's 1940s vintage, 1940s. That's even older than me. You don't get that old. It's a model DB301, and I'm not sure what this stands for. Riders 1122, I'm not sure what that stands for. This is the antenna, and we'll turn it back around here. Very good condition. It's got a few scrapes on the top, which I'm sure Jeff, since he's in the business of detailing, he's going to clean that up later on. Let's just see what we get. Strange dial here. It's got the dial in kilohertz and in meters. Very interesting.
Speaking for the zombie apocalypse is scary. What's really terrifying and even deadly is destruction.
Plenty of volume.
Eyes forward.
A little bit of background noise.
And the ad council.
Not receiving too well. There's 970, which is a very strong station in my area. Another one, probably 850. It's probably 820. Should be something around 620. Right about there. Yeah, there it is. Little weak. Let me see if it wants me to rotate it. Yeah, it's better that way. That's because the stations are that way. I mean, for being as old as it is, it's in excellent condition. So we went back in time a little bit on this one. Thank you, Jeff, for loaning me these radios. And everybody have a happy new year. Bye-bye.